Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, and definitely some updates here to be made after the pullback here occurred. So first I'm going to do is actually a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's map out some areas of support here. And the first level, actually, let me take a step back. Let's just make our first update, because the first update starts with a former area of support right here at $20. And a foundational rule in the world of technical analysis states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So yes, going into the day, $20 was considered that level of support, but now that the price is broken down below it, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that is exactly what happened. If you look closely there, price broke down below it and then spent several periods of time right there trying to get back above it, but could just never quite do it before eventually, the price just pulled back that much more. So I'm not saying the price can never get back above $20. I'm just saying it makes sense why after falling below it, that, the price all of a sudden began to struggle trying to get back up above it. So $20 definitely going to be that first main level where if the price can consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that'll be that initial level of resistance where you'll have to question whether or not the bounce has any sort of genuine momentum and genuine power behind it, to push up through that $20 level. So keep a close eye on that from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support are concerned, next key level, now down here at, in the near term right here at $18.90. And then if $18.90 can't quite hold up, next key level not until down there around $18, which is kind of the catch-22. Big movement to the upside. Problem is when you have big and quick movements to the upside, it does create pretty big spaces between areas of support, and that's essentially what you have right there. So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, as of now, things are looking a little bit shaky, but still a couple days left this week, so let's see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.